Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're diving into something truly powerful and cutting-edge, the NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano Super Developer Kit. This compact yet extremely capable AI development platform is designed for innovators, engineers, and enthusiasts who want to build intelligent machines, robotics, and edge AI projects that push the limits of performance. If you've been looking for a developer kit that combines deep learning capabilities with energy efficiency and flexibility, this one's a total game changer. Let's start with performance. At its core, the Jetson Orin Nano features an NVIDIA Ampere architecture GPU with 1024 CUDA cores and 32 Tensor Cores, delivering up to 40 TOPS trillions of operations per second of AI performance. That's up to 80 times more power than the previous Jetson Nano, making it perfect for tasks like computer vision, natural language processing, robotics navigation, and edge inference. Combined with an Arm Cortex-A78AE 6-core CPU, it delivers smooth multitasking for complex neural networks and machine learning workloads. Memory and storage are equally impressive. It comes with 8GB LPDDR5 RAM, offering fast bandwidth for real-time data processing, and supports expandable storage via NVMe M.2 SSDs. You can run large AI models locally, train lightweight networks, or process multiple 4K video streams without breaking a sweat. The kit also supports multiple camera inputs, enabling stereo vision, image classification, and real-time object detection, ideal for robotics and embedded AI systems. Connectivity-wise, the Jetson Orin Nano Super Developer Kit includes Gigabit Ethernet, USB 3.2, HDMI, DisplayPort, M.2 KE for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPIO expansion, ensuring seamless integration with sensors, cameras, and peripherals. It's designed for flexibility whether you're building a smart drone, autonomous robot, or AI-powered IoT device. Every port is engineered for high-speed interfacing. The JetPack SDK takes the experience further. It includes NVIDIA CUDA, cuDNN, TensorRT, and DeepStream, giving developers access to the same software stack used in full-scale AI and robotics systems. That means you can prototype and deploy on the same unified platform, no need to re-engineer your code for production. It's compatible with frameworks like PyTorch, TensorFlow, and ROS2, making it ideal for both beginners and advanced developers. Thermal efficiency is another highlight. Despite its small footprint, the Orin Nano Kit stays cool with a well-designed active cooling fan and heatsink, allowing sustained workloads without throttling. It's efficient enough for fanless enclosures yet powerful enough for intensive AI workloads. From autonomous robots to smart surveillance systems, AI-driven edge devices, and machine vision projects, this kit unlocks limitless innovation potential. If you're serious about developing AI and robotics solutions, the NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano Super Developer Kit is your ultimate tool for experimentation and real-world application. Buy it now on Amazon using the link below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Gadgetverse for more next-gen tech reviews and AI innovation breakdowns.